guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to see my future uploads. Alright you guys, you already know what this is. We are going to be doing a smoky eye. Why not? Like, this is screaming a fall, this is screaming sultry, so I was like, let me go ahead and do this smoky eye. Also, I just want to let y'all know today is the start of Scorpio season. If you do not know, the girl is a Scorpio and it is our time. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so brows are done. I'm going to be trying out some new brushes today that my auntie gave me. So yeah, I'm starting out with a black eyeliner, using that as the base, and I'm just applying that all over my lid space and just a little bit up into the crease area, but not much. Y'all, this was super easy. So I started out using like this brown shade to kind of diffuse the black to give me some dip, but honestly this shade was not dark enough for me, so I initially went back in to, I think I showed this shade, I went back into a deeper like burgundy brown shade and I used that into the crease area. So I'm just basically trying to build up this eye look. Here's that shade. It's just a little bit deeper, you guys. I'm building up this smoky eye just by applying the brown shade and then going back in with the black liner. And you can just go back and forth until you get the darkness that you like. I did not show you guys the black eyeshadow that I use, but if you watched my previous video, I used that black eyeshadow in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And like I said, all I'm doing is applying the black eyeshadow, applying the brown, blending until I get the color that I want. So the color that I'm applying now, I'm just taking like this orange tone brown. It's like a really warm tone, orangey brown, in that Morphe palette, and I will have everything down below. I'm just applying that on top of the crease area just to create a nice little blend. Like you can see the light to dark. I hope that makes sense. I'm going from darkness on the lid up into the brow area, and you want to go light to dark or dark to light, depending on whichever way you are looking at this look. Like I said, this look was super easy. So both eyes are done. I'm just going into my face routine, y'all. I'm using this e.l.f. Putty primer. This is their Poreless primer, and I must say the hype is real and I'm enjoying this primer. My foundation definitely sticks to this. I'm just going to be patting that in all over my face, and once I have that in, you guys, I'm going to be going in with my it's Black Radiance banana powder. It's a setting powder. I'm just going to be applying that really to my cheek areas, and this step you do not have to do, but I personally do this step sometimes when I want a flawless, seamless beat. This just pretty much fills in the pores area where you have any visible pores. I have them on my cheek. This just kind of, it's like a filler in a way. Once you put that foundation on, like, you literally cannot see it anymore. So anytime I'm doing a smoky eye or dark eye look, I try my best to always use a corrector, you guys, underneath the eyes. So I'm taking this orange corrector and I'm applying that underneath the eyes, and this will just keep everything from looking super dark underneath. I like to cancel out that darkness just so the smoky eye can just pop a little bit more. And once I apply that corrector, we are going to be going in with my CoverGirl foundation. This is my girl. I absolutely love this foundation. It stays matte all day, you guys, and she's just everything, okay? So once foundation is done, I'm going in with the LA Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee, and I'm just going to be applying this in the normal areas, guys. I'm still doing my foundation routine as usual. I'm just I would say skipping certain steps, but not really, because I color correct instead of using that dark brown if you've been watching my videos for a while. So I'm just applying this to the high points of my face, and then I'm going in with the black Radiance foundation stick. This is in the shade Cocoa Bean, y'all, and I'm just using this to kind of bronze the face. I don't want to really contour my face. I'm not a contour person. I feel like it looks too dark on me, but I do like to go in with like a reddish brownish shade and a slight darkness just to give the face a little bit more structure. But I ain't trying to be sucked in, girl. We round faced it, hard face over here. All right, you guys, so I'm being extra at this point. You do not have to take this step. I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is a really light shade, but I just wanted a little bit more brightness under the eye. Since the eyes are really sultry, girl, I'm just being super extra because this is a B, okay? And we have to be extra, okay? We have to be extra. This is a glam video. So I'm putting that all over the eye area, just really in the inner corners. And then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me. This is a finishing powder. This is not a setting powder. They are two different things. So I wanted to try the finishing powder underneath the eye to give me, like I said, this is a glam. Like, I'm trying to be beat, like just slayed. So I'm putting this underneath the eye so I can have a seamless, flawless under eye area. And I actually like this little step. I might continue to do this step. She's bright. You can go darker if you like, but since my concealer was very light, I decided to go with that. And then, y'all, I'm just finishing up the eyes underneath. I'm taking that black liner and just placing it close to my lash line. And then I'm going to smoke that out with that dark brown shade we use. And then I'm going to be taking that orange brown shade and I'm going to smoke everything out, y'all. And that is literally the eye look. Simple. We love simple here. We are a beginner channel here. This is very beginner friendly. So all I'm doing is adding my face powder to the outer portions of my face just to bring some color back, you guys. And I'm bringing depth back to my nose contour area. Once I do that, I'm going to be adding a pop of shimmer, glow, or whatever to the inner portions of my eye just to open everything up since the eyes are dark. And I wanted to also just take this matte eyeshadow. It's like a tan color, and I wanted to apply that to the brow bone, but then it was like too light. So I tried to go back in with something slightly darker just to kind of tone that down. Once we do that, you guys, we are pretty much at the finish line of this makeup routine. So the only thing I have left to do is to apply lashes, set this fades. We are using the e.l.f. what is this, the luminizer spray. Everything will be down below, but we're just going to be knocking the dust off this face, because y'all, a bit like this, you can appear very, very dusty and cakey. So I like to use this spray just to tone everything down and make it look really, really natural. And then I'm going in with my favorite nude lip combo. I'm using a brown lip liner, and then I'm going to be taking Revlon's Nude Furry lipstick and applying that onto the lips. And then I'm just going to be adding, it's an old gloss, you guys, I don't even know the name of it. Once I figure that out, like I said, everything will be down below, but I'm taking that and I'm applying that to the center, and then I'm going to apply a clear gloss on top, and baby, we are done. Simple, sultry, but cute. But baby, we is done. Ain't nothing hard about this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends, with your family, you guys. We are trying to get to 100 subscribers. We are super duper close. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and click all to see all my future uploads. You guys, this is all I have. I will see y'all in the next video.